So password generator in Python, I'm not really that good in Python. I'm still a beginner. I'm still learning, but this password generator can be built by just about anyone who knows about variables and printing, I guess. Okay, so let's begin. First, we will be we need to structure a Python project. So we need some global variables. Along with the global variables, we will also need the variables in which each of the sign slash letter slash number will be stored in. What do we call this? Variables, I guess. Variables 1, variables 2, variables 3. So the reason I'm taking 3 sets of variables is because I want 9 characters, 9 or 12 characters in my password. So there's gonna be 4 here or 3, 4 here or 3, 4 here or 3, and then we will be we'll be printing the password after that. For that we'll just use string literals, if you're familiar with that, or you can just use this, which is another way, dot format, which is also another way to print without string literals. But I feel string literals just look cleaner. If you prefer the dot format way, you can do the dot format way. They're basically the same. So for global variables, first will be from random. So from the random library, we will be importing choice. So basically this line says that from the random library, first we will be importing the choice, the function choice. Basically what the function choice does is it shuffles like a list of strings and gives us the first string, the string at the location 0. It returns the string at the location 0. Not really sure. Not choice is choice. I don't know whether it's location 0 or and it just returns us a random string from the random list. So to demonstrate this, rand equals we will have a dot 1, a, b and c. This will give you a good idea of how this works. Print choice, print choice rand, then just make this hash. Okay, so what this will do, control F5, the output should be out. Yeah, see a, and again control F5, please shuffle. Why isn't it shuffling? I do not know why it's not shuffling, but we're just gonna print, we're gonna store the choice in rand1 variable, and gonna try this again. A, C, there. So it randomly chooses A, B or C, and then prints A, B or C. I'm pretty sure that choice one works or does not work, who knows, but this is basically the base. So we are gonna have three lists where the first variable, second variable, third variables, the storing boxes, as I like to say. So each box will be storing one character from each of the list, and then at the end is just gonna put it all into one print function here, and it's gonna print it for us. So let's begin. First we will need numbers equals, and then we will make a list. Okay, so for numbers we'll have 1 to 9 according to the keyboard. 1 we'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 0 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. Then we are gonna have letters. Letters will take a while, so it'll be like according to the keyboard layout, the QWERTY keyboard layout. I'm gonna do it so that I don't need to like search for each letter individually. So this is gonna take a while. Okay, so we have put all the letters from the QWERTY keyboard. There might be some missing, some extra, who knows, I'm not gonna bother checking. And then we are gonna have a symbol and this you can have multiple lists of symbols. I'm just gonna do three lists just to like make this simple, to not bore you guys. So there's gonna be the symbols, symbols variable, symbols list, in which there will be some symbols, I guess. So there will be / I'm just gonna put randomly some symbols, and we're gonna see what comes out. Okay, now that I've got the symbols done, I'm gonna get into variables, into the variables 1. So we are gonna have numbers, number 1 equals choice numbers. It's gonna be like this, okay? And then we are gonna have I'm just gonna change numbers, number names, and we are gonna have a letters, letter 1 equals choice letters. Okay, this should also be okay. And just change it into letters 3, letter 2 and letter 1, and then we will need one symbol. So symbol 1 equal choice symbol, symbols. Just copy this and paste this, then just change the number at the end. 3 symbols 3. That should be good. Oh, symbols 2, this one. Okay, so now we print the password. You could either do, as I earlier said, you could either use f-string literals, or you could use print whatever like this and dot format. You could do any one of those, but I'm gonna do the f-string literal for now. So I'm gonna print your password is space five, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're just gonna print these with the variable names. So the first variable name is going to be number 1. Leaf 2, and Of course I'm going to change these names. Number 3. So our password format, our password is going to have a format, basically one number, one letter, one symbol, back to one number, one letter, one symbol, one number, one letter, one symbol. So we're going to have that format throughout the entire password. Of course you can change it up as you like, but for simplicity I'm going to do this. It's also easier. Yeah. Now for symbol 1, copy this, symbol 1, and another symbol 1, symbol 3, symbol 2. Save this file, and no problems have been detected in the workspace. So we are gonna run this file. I'm gonna go through it again. So from random we're gonna be importing choice, make a list, numbers, letters, symbols, store the choice of each of these numbers, letter and symbols, basically choice, shuffle it and then choose a random thing. So and then store it in as variables and print your password is space number 1 letter 1 number. Okay, so we're gonna run this and it should work, and it has worked. First try, no errors, it has worked. So our password is 8M double inverted commas 0C weird bracket 2V and greater than or less than symbol. So that is how you make a password generator in Python. Of course you can change up some things. You can make more lists, you could make more variables to increase the length of your password, and you could do dot format. There's a lot of changes you can do in this. You could also like put it in a different format than what I've done here. So it's number letter symbol, number letter symbol. You could do in a different format. So there's a lot of changes you can do. So I recommend trying this on your own. And that's it for me today. Bye.